out a bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
And that's it, the last piece.
Well, that's the framework for the boathouse in place. Now all we have to do is wait for the concrete to set.
It's my special smooth and creamy, Boza, so it could take a little while.
So it's probably best if we leave it till tomorrow afternoon. In that case, we all have tomorrow morning off.
Hooray! We can have some fun!
But remember, keep away from the supply sheds, don't come anywhere near the new framework, and always keep a safe distance from the water.
Would you look at those machines? So full of zip. Doesn't it make you a little sad that those days are over?
Over?
Oh, well. Nighty-night, old friend. Those days are over. Old friend. Old friend. Old.
Oh, no, they're not. I can't believe these speed stripes still fit me.
Hey, look! How do you like to spend the morning watching Mr. Roundy swinging to and fro?
Oh, no thanks, Carl, but I'll catch you later.
Catch me later. Why, is someone going to throw me?
Boom! I can't believe we've got a whole morning off just to have fun. So, who wants to play Pass the Paving Stone?
Oh, yes. Pass the Paving Stone is my top favorite game.
Lug, shouldn't you be, hanging out with the, older trucks?
Well, I suppose so, but they are so boring. I just want to have fun.
Well, you've come to the right place.
Kerry?
Well, I don't see any reason why Lug shouldn't have some fun with us. Just because he's got a few more miles on the clock.
Okay, Lug, you're in.
Yay! So let's play Pass the Paving Stone. Thanks, Sticks. Over to you, Lug.
What on tarmac has got into Lug? Those speed stripes look ridiculous on a machine of his mileage.
I think I know exactly what's got into Lug. He's having his mid-mileage crisis.
Mid-mileage crisis?
He wants to be new again.
Oh, really?
Some trucks grow old gracefully, others quite disgracefully. Whatever some may like to say, we're all getting older by the day. Some trucks think it's really cool to hide their years and play the fool. You can't disguise it anyway. We're all getting older by the day. Whatever they may feel inside, some machines act dignified. Perhaps they long to have a play, but we know we're getting older by the day. And even though we are not so young, life can still be loads of fun. Have the good times while you may, 'cause we're all getting older by the day. Don't worry, he'll come to his senses. We all do.
I hope so. Watching Mr. Roundy swing to and fro on my own is no fun at all.
Oh, yes. Who's the truck? I'm the truck. The Lugster. The Lugstonator. The Lugavator.
Yeah! You really are the truck, Lug.
That was the best game of Pass the Paving Stone ever.
Dumpers rule!
Let's play something else.
What about Follow My Leader? And I think the Lugster should be the leader.
Top Gear!
Oh,
Yeah!
but remember what Bowser said. We have to be careful.
Follow me.
This is really fun. Oh!
Yeah! We're heading close to the water.
Maybe a bit too close to the wall. Oh. Help!
Broom!
Oh, hang on, Lug. You're going a little bit too far.
Oh, this really is Top Gear fun.
Oh, Lug, you're swerving quite a bit. It's very hard to keep up.
Oh dear. That wasn't Top Gear at all. I'm sorry, Bowser. I don't know what got into my bonnet. I woke up this morning and...
And you want it to be new again. I know, old friend. It happens to us all. But I think we've got enough new trucks on this site.
And we need older trucks to look up to and guide us. But I have to say the Lugster was really good fun.
Was he?
Oh, yes, you made a top new truck.
Dumpers still rule.
Well, if it isn't the Lugster, hee. I have to say, those speed stripes look very smart.
Won't you play a mean game of Pass the Paving Stone? I didn't think you had it in you. Want to play an even more Top Gear fun game?
What's that?
Watching Mr. Roundy swing to and fro.
They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.